audience with His Holiness?
I'm speechless. It was sensational, really a beautiful moment. Yes, but I'll just keep it between him and I. Thank you. But it was really an amazing moment. Very, emotional, of course, but really proud of what the Tibetan community has done and its resilience, how it's progressed, preserved the culture, and how strong it is, and how much it can teach the world what resilience means. It's the American people. The American people are very strongly supportive of the Tibetans around the world, and it's the generosity of the American people that we at USAID represent.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.